Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to what would be a familiar sight if you watched my all-in-one water cooling install video. And if you watched my last video, you'll know that I have quite a few, well, I have some tasty new parts to install. So the purpose of this video will be to tear out all of the old parts. And basically take everything out, including power supply, maybe hard drives, definitely the water cooling and rear fan, and just generally get everything ready for a new install, new upgrade or whatever. So that's basically what this video is going to be. It's me tearing this thing apart, having fun doing that, taking all the bits out. So let's get to it, shall we? So that there is one GTX 770 out. GTX 770 number 2. Two sets of 6 gigabytes of RAM out. That there is one, get it to focus here, hello, one i7 960 out. Water cooler mounting hardware out. I'm just going to screw this stuff together so we don't lose anything. That there is Corsair H100i out, ready for the next system. You may have seen me just cleaning that off with paper towels. I do intend to get some kind of proper cleaning alcohol in the city tomorrow, maybe, if I can find some. Screws, where can I put screws? here. Rear fan out. Now, I think we'll go for the power supply first, so I can pull that out. You have no mounting screws. It's held in by this sneaky little bracket down the bottom here. 1 thumb screw, 2 thumb screws, radiator fans, go to the side, Corsair link cable, so that there was the little bracket holding the power supply in place, and all it had was 2 little thumb screws, but it's stuck in there pretty good. Power supply, get out. Power supply here really needs a bit of a clean out. But there is one chunk of dust in here. Hard drive cable, SATA power cable, sorry, I should say. What else have we got here? We've got SATA cables. 1 SATA cable, 2 and 3 SATA cables, fan power cable, and the rest is all just fan and front panel cables. So let me spin it around real quick. So I'm probably going to leave hard drives in, just because they don't get in the way down here anyway. And there is just all front panel and audio cables and fan cables and things of that nature. So that can all stay there whilst I take out the motherboard. I'm gonna lie it down for this bit. And there is the Sabertooth X58. X58 Sabertooth, I should say. You gonna focus for me here? Huh? Is that gonna work? There we go. It would have been cool for this to actually keep working, because this is a really cool looking board with all its matte green and army browns and stuff. I don't know why it's not working, but maybe I'll try get it to work in an old case that I have here lying around. Take that out. Let that declare itself, and then can go on the pile with everything else. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that is everything out of this case, ready for all the new stuff to go in. So that's the next step.